What is going on, everybody? Aaron here, attention to detail, South Chicagoland's #1 paint correction and ceramic coating protection specialist. I am joined today with this absolutely insane 2000 Honda Vamos right-hand drive, imported in. This vehicle was not looking like how you see it today. This vehicle had so much oxidation on the roof, on the hood. We did some wet sanding, we did some major rotary buffing, and we got this vehicle back to glass. It looks incredible. I definitely think the hood could use a repaint, but other than that, I'm sorry, the roof could use a repaint, but other than that, this puppy is gorgeous. We did a multi-stage paint correction on all of the gloss black paint, and then our ceramic coating Fireballs FX88. I want to walk you through this vehicle. This Vamos is sweet. I want to give you guys a tour and show you everything that we did. Welcome to Attention to Detail with the #2. We're in South Chicagoland, Highland, Indiana, right off the boulevard, 45th Street. We've got almost 900 five-star reviews. We're the best in the business. We're the best at our craft. We're the best enhancement and protection specialists. We've got over 7,500 square feet of space here in Highland that we do all of our work at. We do everything: paint correction, ceramic coatings, Icon rock clear coatings, paint protection film undercoatings, cavity protection, vinyl wrapping, window tinting, PPF, powder coating, custom graphics, you name it, we do it here at A2D. Paintless dent repair, some touch-up paints, working on another paint correction and ceramic over there, working on some Icon rock clear over there, Icon rock clear over there, PPF, Icon, PPF. We are crushing it. All right, I want to walk you guys through the process. So, the first part of any exterior paint correction and coating here at A2D starts in our wash bay. We've only got one wash bay. It's right over there. We only wash and prep one vehicle at a time. Why do you say one at a time? That's not even very efficient. No, it is efficient. 100% quality. We go for quality here. Our prices are not cheap. We want you to provide you the best quality in all of the Midwest. That's our mission, that's our goal. So we bring it into our wash bay. We're only focusing on one vehicle at a time, 100% care on that one vehicle. We start by doing a full foam wash. That's gonna remove all the main dirt and grime. We're gonna clean everything. We're talking all the paint, the rims, the tires, wheel barrels, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, the brake dust, every square inch of the exterior. Then we take a detail brush. It's like a makeup brush. Detail every crack and crevice around all the trim pieces, around all the sills, around all the doors, we move the door handle in and out. We go around the mirrors. We clean up around the headlights, tail lights, every single emblem, crack, crevice, you name it. We dislodge all the dirt. Then we go into our decontamination. So we start with an iron decon. That's going to remove any iron particles, any brake dust, and any road grime. Then we'll do a clay bar treatment. That's going to remove any embedded contamination that's in the paint, stuff that you can't really see with your eyes, but you can actually feel it with your hands, and you can also hear it. If you actually rub a paper bag against it, you can actually hear it. That clay bar removes all that silky, smooth finish. It's like butter. Then after that, we do a process called wax off. Fireball wax off, it's made in South Korea. We're the only ones in the entire US, in this Midwest area that I know that use it. And what wax off does is it actually removes any waxes, sealants, dealership stuff, any dirt, grime, waxes, anything that could be on the paint before we actually start our paint correction. This is going to remove any of those waxes and sealants so that by the time we do our ceramic coating, it can actually bond. Then we went into oxidation removal. Roof and hood got oxidation removal. What oxidation removal is when paint sits in the sun too long, the sun fades the paint. Well, when the paint is faded, you want to remove that. So we do that with oxidation removal, okay? Basically wet sanding the paint and taking a rotary polisher and rotary grinding it all down, making sure that we're removing all the oxidation layers, get down to fresh, clean, clear coat. So we start off by doing our multi-stage correction. After all that oxidation is removed, we do a heavy cut with the rotary. That's going to remove any deeper swirls, deeper scratches, fading oxidation. Then we do our medium cut. That's going to remove any medium swirls, medium scratches, and remove any more of that fading and oxidation again. And then our final polish. We call our final polish the bee's knees. Why the bee's knees? Because it is the bee's knees. It's the creme de la creme. It's amazing. So Our final polish goes and we polish all of the paint to give it that just mirror-like, just candy-like glossy reflection. We are talking better than showroom. Okay. Once all of that's done, then we do our isopropyl alcohol bath, IPA bath, to remove any polishing oils, any oils that are on the paint prior to the application of our FX88 ceramic and graphene infused coating. So once all that's done, then we'll start the coating process. Coating process is pretty awesome. It takes quite a long time, very tedious. It's very, very, very difficult to install this product extremely well. But once it's installed right, it is glass. It's super, super slick to the touch. Really, really, really awesome, glossy, easy to maintain, washes like butter, super slick. It's got a little bit of titanium in it. It's silicone dioxide, SiO2, like ceramic, but it has graphene infused in it to give it that slick property. Super, super hydrophobic when you're washing the paint. Cuts your wash time in half. It's awesome. So, ceramic coatings, paint corrections plus ceramic coatings, the absolute best of the best for a solid gloss black car. Looks amazing, came out fantastic. This Honda Vamos, one of the only right-hand drive cars. It's actually, there's a sticker on it, Port of Kawasaki, which is awesome. This is a year model 2000 Honda, so super awesome. License plate in Japanese, that's fantastic. We took our time and made this thing look flawless. Guys, if you want a paint correction ceramic coating, give me a call, 219-533-8783, or visit me on my website, www.attn2detail.info. I really appreciate you guys watching. The best part of our business is the customer service that we provide. We're trying to strive for better than Disney World. Our quality and customer service is really what drives us to be the best. And just remember, you know, just because we're booked out so far and we're always constantly busy here does not mean that we do not really, really and sincerely appreciate any and all referrals. That's the best way to get more business and more traction in our small business. Thank you guys so much for watching. Book a consultation. I'd love to meet you actually in person. What we do is we have you book a consultation with Mr. T on the phones. Once you book the consultation, come in, you meet me, meet Jimmy. You meet any of our sales members, and basically we'll walk you through the shop, meet you, shake your hand, show you around the entire process, go over what fits your vehicle, your price point, your budget, your package, you name it, it's for you. Once we do all of that, we'll get you on the schedule, take a small deposit, get you on the books. We're normally between 1.5 and 2 months out at any given time. Just depends on which service you're wanting, just depends on what the vehicle needs and the time frame and you know which time of the year, but generally about 1.5 to 2 months out. Once we get you on the calendar, you're ready to go. You're going to be part of the A2D family. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a call, book your consultation with Mr. T, 219-533-8783, or my website, www.attn2detail.info. Enjoy this 2000 right-hand drive Honda Vamos, imported from Japan. Thanks guys for watching. Aaron, A2D in Highland, out.